Instead of ordinary paper, giant rolls of premium cottonlin security paper arrive inside a
The special currency paper passes through powerful inspection systems that analyze thickness, texture, and strength.
Advanced machinery embeds ultra-thin security threads directly into the currency paper. Tiny metallic strips become permanently locked inside every sheet.
The currency paper enters specialized equipment where famous watermark portraits are formed inside the paper itself using advanced
Advanced intaglio printing machines create the detailed front side of every dollar note using engraved steel plates and enormous series. The printed sheets automatically flip before entering another gigantic printing press where the reverse side of the dollar is completed. Artificial intelligence detects the smallest color shift or alignment error instantly. Defective sheets are automatically removed. Only perfect prints continue forward. High-speed numbering machines print unique serial numbers onto every individual dollar note with perfect synchronization. No two notes receive the same identity. Specialized printing units apply the official treasury seal, reserve markings, and final security ink layers onto every sheet. Freshly printed currency sheets travel through a massive climate-controlled drying tunnel, where carefully regulated airflow and temperature cure the specialized inks. The flow rate on line 7 is slightly below target.
Adjust the tension settings on the third roller. That should stabilize it. The currency sheets pass beneath powerful ultraviolet lighting, where hidden fluorescent security features suddenly glow across the paper.
Advanced infrared scanners examine the special security inks printed throughout each dollar sheet. Certain printed areas disappear while others remain visible under infrared imaging. Highly sensitive robotic fingertips glide across the printed sheets, measuring the raised intaglio ink that gives genuine dollar notes their distinctive texture. Gigantic printed sheets move beneath laser alignment systems that verify every banknote is perfectly positioned before cutting.
Freshly cut dollar notes travel optical inspection system that's
High-speed counting machines rapidly organize individual dollar notes into exact quantities with astonishing accuracy. Optical sensors count thousands of notes every minute without a single mistake. Organization increases efficiency. Massive value is carefully managed. Before entering storage, every wrapped currency brick passes through a fully automated inventory gateway. RFID readers and
The production process now shifts from manufacturing to worldwide distribution and financial circulation.
The approved currency bricks are placed into heavy-duty armored transport containers equipped with electronic locks, shock sensors, and billions of dollars travel under constant protection. The journey beyond the factory begins.